So I thought I would give the Shop Goodwill a try last year. I've sold some of the things that I got, but I should have got it all listed, and of course I didn't because I just have too much inventory here. Hello YouTube friends, Renee here from Renee Anita B. I am going to share some things that I purchased last year on shopgoodwill.com. I'm going to show you a set of Monster High dolls. Monster High dolls sell really well. I knew that from watching other people do YouTube videos. I believe that Emily Conway talked about that in one of her videos. And I know that Matt over at Part-Time Pickers has frequently talked about selling Monster High dolls. And he had said that if you can get them for $2 or under per doll and then lot them up together, that you can usually make a pretty good profit. I had tried many times last year on shopgoodwill.com to get a lot of these Monster High dolls because I had seen these other resellers talk about the value of these dolls. But most of them went for hundreds of dollars, every lot that they had. So this one that I was bidding on, for some reason, this one went for a lot less. Maybe it was on a weekend, I don't remember, but I was really happy and excited that I had won this auction. So I won the auction for $59. There was tax, shipping, and handling on it, so it was a total of $76.27. I divided that by 19 dolls that were in here, so that came to $4.01 per doll, which was a little high, but there were a whole lot of other things in this box as well. So I'm going to show you what was in here. And this may be one of the reasons why it didn't go for as high, because people might have just seen these other things and didn't want this stuff. But there was a brand new pair of child-size pajamas in there. They're just a Walmart brand, but they were retailing for $12.88 at Walmart. They're still new with the tags, so I'm thinking I should be able to get at least $10 for those, maybe $15. If somebody doesn't order them for pajamas, they could even wear this as a Halloween costume. Okay, there was a box in here, like a doll box. I guess this would be like from a play set. Kind of a neat box, has a zipper built right into it for decoration. Had to see if it had a year on it, but I don't see one. It's got some scuffs, so it's not perfect. Scuffs here too, but all in all, it's in pretty decent shape. Alright. There were two hardcover books. I have those listed on eBay right now. There's a little zippered pouch. Get the strap out of the way so you can see it. Then there were 4 of these little critters in here. And I think that these were sold with some of the dolls. So I had looked up these, and some of these were selling for like $10 or $12 a piece. I don't know if they are anymore, but they were at the time when I looked them up. It also had some little like plushie dolls that were Monster High, and those I have listed and sold already. And then there were 19 dolls in here. And most of them are fully dressed. So I'll just pull each of them out so you can see. Some of them have kind of ratty hair. I haven't tried combing any of their hair yet. But it's nice when you see that they have their shoes and everything on, because they're more valuable that way. I could do like Emily Conway says, that you can just remove the clothes on them and sell the clothes separate, and you'll make a little more profit that way and sell just the dolls bare. I'm going to just tip this box sideways. This one looks like one of the little plushie dolls that I sent out. This one was naked. And there was another one that was naked. Oh, her head's kind of loose. So they're not in the best shape. They were definitely played with. But the fact that so many of them had clothes that were fully dressed, I was happy with that. And they all have their hands so far and their feet. A lot of times their hands or part of their arms are missing. This one's cool. I'm guessing this is probably an Ever After doll. Her face is just different than the other ones. Here's another one that's not dressed, but she is complete. It's kind of cool how they made it look like her hair was shaved on this side. Ooh, this one's pretty. Pretty purple one. Her legs are kind of clear, like lucite on the bottom. I like that one. That one's really neat. It's nice when they even have like the original barrettes and sometimes their earrings. This one's got a bracelet. She's got two mismatched hands. Maybe she's made like that. She might be just by looking at the way her dress is made. And this might be Claudine. Is that what that one's called? She had holes in her ears, so she must have had some kind of earrings. That one's got wings. And does this one do something? This one might be missing something. But it might be in that bag yet. It looks like something probably clips on the back. She's neat though. And then there was a whole bag of accessories in there too. So sometimes just the accessories are worth some good money. I'm not going to go through all of them. There's a lot of hats in here. I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. I'll just kind of pull them out like this and set them off to the side. But, oh, it's nice to know that there's a lot more shoes in there. So maybe I can put shoes. And there's some extra clothes. So I can probably fully dress all of the ones that were missing their clothes. This might be what goes in that mermaid one. Or maybe that goes on ahead of one of them. Oh, that's a cool little accessory. So it was a fun lot. I'm quite confident I'll be able to make my money back and make a decent profit on all of this, just from what I've heard other resellers say. So yes, I believe you can make a profit by shopping on shopgoodwill.com. It was a lot of fun. I haven't done it since last summer because, like I said, I really don't need the inventory, and it's kind of addictive. There's all kinds of categories. I know Kat the Nurse Flipper said that she likes to just type in the word lot, L-O-T, in the search bar, and then it'll pop up all things that sell in a lot, like the way I've bought them. Whatever you like to sell, do a search in those kind of categories and have fun with it. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you learned a little something or had fun going through these with me. Like I said, this is my motivation to get this stuff all listed. It's been sitting here since last spring, so it's high time I get this on my eBay store and get it out because these boxes take up a lot of room. There was 2010 there was a 2010 Ghoulia. Oh, I got the box stuck. No good one, Renee. Really? I'm just gonna belch. Blah, blah, blah. Wow. I'm having technical difficulties. And I could do like Emily Sorry, Emily. Thanks so much for joining me. As always, from my heart to yours, share love, not hate. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.